Hello, my name is Alba Táboas, and I am a member of the NLP research group here at UPF. In this video, I will present our work assessing the syntactic capabilities of transformer-based multilingual language models, which was published last year in the findings section of ACL. First of all, let me introduce the problem. The task of language modeling is the task of predicting what word comes next. Language models are then systems that estimate word probabilities given a previous context. The system may take different forms, but the arrival of transformer-based models like BERT or GPT revolutionized the field. And now these models are at the backbone of almost any NLP task. This approach has achieved outstanding results in most of those tasks. But why is that so? Like many deep learning algorithms, language models behave like a black box and are hard to interpret. In fact, interpretability has become an important branch of this research field, and our work is part of this effort. In particular, we are interested in knowing if models really learn linguistic properties. We have focused on multilingual language models, which work the same way as monolingual models, but for many languages, and they also achieve outstanding results. But some questions remain. We wanted to know if training on different languages has an impact on the syntactic capacity of the models, and how languages with syntactic phenomena of different complexity are affected. We explore these questions comparing monolingual and multilingual BERT and RoBERTa models in English and Spanish. But how can we measure the syntactic capacity of a language model? Well, if we enter the sentence "the cat" and a model has learned English agreement, it should assign a higher probability to the word sleeps than to the word sleep, even when there is potentially confusing words in the middle. The idea is that if a model has learned a syntactic property, it should assign a higher probability to words that satisfy that property. This evaluation paradigm is called targeted syntactic evaluation. For English, we relied on SyntaxGym, a platform and toolkit for targeted syntactic evaluation that contains several test suites from the literature, covering a wide range of syntactic phenomena. And for Spanish, we replicated some of the original tests and created new ones. All those tests are grouped into circuits targeting different syntactic constructions. We evaluated the selected models and all the test suites, and these were the results. As you can see, the models offer a very different performance on the circuits depending on the language. And the main conclusions of our study were that multilingual models do not generalize equally well across languages, that the generalization potential of a multilingual versus monolingual models also depends on the language, and on a more general note, that complex syntactic structures are still a challenge for language models, and that it is important to test on a wider range of languages, which is one of the main objectives of my PhD research. Thank you for listening, and if you want to further discuss any of this, don't hesitate to contact me. Bye!